If you take tons of screenshots using your Mac, you have to be using this AI trick to rename all your files from screenshot date and time to what they're actually screenshots of. It makes it so simple to find what you're looking for. And honestly, it is the smartest trick I've come across. Let me show you how easy it is to set up using shortcuts in Apple Intelligence. It takes under 5 minutes. Here's how. First things first, open Shortcuts on Mac. Create a new shortcut. Type in the following action: get images from input. Double click to add it to the canvas. Now we're gonna say input, click on that and choose shortcut input. From here, you're gonna see it says receive apps and 18 more. We don't want all that, so we're gonna do select all, deselect all, and just choose images. Perfect. On the info pane, see where it says use as quick action? Do that with Finder. Next thing, we want to use a model. So click back into your actions pane and type use model. This is going to add that AI feature to it. Now from here, we're going to add the following prompt. Type prompt in the comments and I'll DM it to you. This is a prompt that's going to help us make sure that the AI understands what we're trying to do and gives us the right output, describing what that screenshot is of so we can use that for the file name. Now, once you get the prompt in, type in get text from input, double click to add that, and then follow up with a set variable. This way we can actually choose to have a variable called clean name, just like that, in order to capture that text output from the prompt. Now we want to also add the date to our screenshot. So type in date, double click, and we're going to format that date. So type in format, choose that. And from that drop down, you're going to actually change this. Instead of short date format, use custom. I personally like to have it more like month, day, year, and then the hours, minute, second. So I'm going to delete all this and just have it typed out like that. Once you have all that, we're going to store that as a variable as well. So type in set variable, add that here, and change the name to timestamp. Search for text, double click to add, and this time we're going to right click in this box, choose insert variable, clean name, underscore, and then timestamp. This is basically saying the file name will be something like clean name underscore timestamp. And to actually rename the file, we need one more action. So type in rename file, make sure to choose the right one. And instead of saying rename text, we're going to actually change that. So right click on text, from variables, choose images, and where it says name, right click on that, variables, and choose text. Okay, perfect. Now, one last step, because personally, I don't want to have every screenshot I take seen by AI. Sometimes I take photos of things that are sensitive, like financial statements or bills. So instead, I want to have a shortcut that lets me quickly rename only the files that I want. So from that right pane again, choose the information button, hit add keyboard shortcut, and then type by holding down the following keys: Command, Option, Shift, R. This is a keyboard shortcut that most Macs are not currently using, so it's safe to use. Now I can simply right click on a screenshot file, go to quick actions and choose rename file. And you'll see up above the shortcut is running and it's renamed the file perfectly. Or I can click on any screenshot and just do Command, Option, Shift, R, and you'll see that keyboard shortcut also runs that as well. And just like that, it's renamed. You now have an advanced way to use AI on your computer to rename screenshots. You are no longer burdened with having tons of screenshots that you have to go through to figure out what was this even of? Where is that thing I took a screenshot of yesterday? Now you can just look at the file names. It's that simple. Kudos to the actual creator who I saw it from first. Now, if you want the prompt, just drop a comment below saying prompt and I'll DM it to you so you can copy paste it really easy. If you like this tip, please follow along. I share tons of AI tricks to help you on your journey because there's so much out there. I want to share the signal and not the noise of what's important to focus on. Thanks for watching.